I didn't say none of that to you.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm Dominican.
I mean, you got that thick shit, right?
Yep. There you go. You Jamaican niggas love these big bitches.
Cause we got a big dick, you feel me?
I love it, period. As y'all should.
What you know about Jamaican niggas?
I don't know, but you gonna show me.
And we skinny too, that's the point, you feel me? Like,
Huh?
we skinny ass niggas too, you feel me? So,
I love me a skinny nigga.
for sure.
I hate fat niggas. They got no dick.
That's their fault. I don't know what to say, you
Exactly.
feel me?
That's why I stay away from you. I come to y'all.
So let me get your number then.
You can get my Instagram.
I'm not gonna fuck no.
You can get my Instagram.
If you fuck with me that much, give me your number.
My nigga.
What you mean? I just
Girl,
met
I'm not
you.
gonna stop. So it's the same fucking thing.
Huh?
It's the same shit.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my number.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss. No. In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
Yeah.
For sure.
How old are you? 20?
I'm older than your ass, girl.
I'm asking you.
Could be your daddy, you know that.
Okay, that's okay. I like him older, but how old are you?